I'd like to introduce you to the new Easy Finder plugin, Easy Finder, Smart Search for your online store. Want to make product search on your website convenient and efficient? Easy Finder is the perfect solution for online store owners. Our plugin allows you to quickly and easily set up a custom search form or use a ready-made template, ensuring convenience for your customers and increasing sales conversion. How does Easy Finder work? Install the plugin on your website, configure search settings according to your catalog structure. Choose a ready-made template or create your unique search form. Customers quickly find the products they need and make purchases.
So let's install the plugin on our site. Go to the Plugin tab on the admin panel of the site. Click on Add Plugin and install it. Choose the file with the Easy Finder plugin and set up it on your website. Choose the button Activate Plugin.
Create a new search. Make the main settings of your search. Display the search name, search ID, enter where the search form will be placed. Fill in all the required search fields, like search by category, search by brand or by color, etc. Select the product attributes, product category, product tag, and product brand required for your search. To display the widget in the sidebar on the Shop page, go to Appearance tab, Widgets, add WooCommerce Sidebar Widget. To display the widget in the center of the Shop page, go to Pages, Shop tab, and paste the shortcode into the page. Check how your search works on the Shop page. Depending on the search terms you enter, the product will be displayed. You can also search for a product by its cost level.
Who is Easy Finder for? Online store owners looking to improve user experience. Website developers creating convenient and efficient solutions. Marketers aiming to increase e-commerce conversion rates. Anyone who wants to make product search faster and easier on their site. Key features of Easy Finder. Autocomplete search queries. Filter products by category, price, brand, and other parameters. Support for search by SKU and product descriptions. Integration with various e-commerce platforms. Ability to customize search design to match your website style. Multilingual support for global e-commerce businesses. AI-powered smart search for more relevant results. Advantages of Easy Finder over competitors. Easy installation and setup without programming skills. High speed and minimal server load. Support for multiple languages and currencies. Flexible pricing plans suitable for businesses of all sizes.